Are you looking for bushier houseplants that can bring a lush tropical vibe to the space? Here are the best indoor shrubs you must not miss. Weeping fig. These indoor shrubs boast a full canopy of slender, glossy leaves. Its dark green foliage adds a touch of sophistication and depth, making it a classic choice for interior design. Lemon tree. This plant, with its bright green foliage, has the bonus of fragrant blossoms and fruit. Its cheerful appearance makes it a centerpiece in any room, providing a tropical, inviting ambiance. Azalea. These indoor shrubs are renowned for their striking flowers, but their leaves also contribute to their beauty. The foliage serves as a dark green backdrop to their vivid blooms, resulting in an astonishing display of colors. Croton. The croton plant is like a splash of paint in your indoor space. With its colorful, glossy leaves in shades of red, orange, yellow, and green, it serves as a living piece of art. Norfolk Island pine. These indoor shrubs offer a unique, softer take on the traditional pine tree, making it a popular choice during the holiday season. Its layered branches and soft green needles evoke a sense of elegance and tranquility. Song of India. With its striking, variegated leaves, the Dracaena Song of India offers a unique blend of colors. The contrast between the bright green centers and yellow edges add vibrancy and depth to any indoor setting. Rubber plant. The rubber plant exudes luxury with its large, shiny leaves. Whether you choose the dark green or burgundy variety, this plant stands out as a bold architectural statement. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plants are the epitome of tropical allure. Their dark green leaves form a lush backdrop for their exotic, colorful blooms, creating a visual spectacle when in bloom. Umbrella tree. The umbrella tree, with its glossy, dark leaves, is as eye-catching as it is lush. Its umbrella-like clusters of leaves provide a dense, voluminous look, adding life and vitality to your indoor space. China doll plant. The China doll plant is ideal for those who seek lushness and intricacy. Its small, bright green leaves offer a delicate, lacy appearance, adding texture and visual interest to any setting. So there you have it, the top indoor shrubs that can transform your living spaces into vibrant green oases. Whether you're aiming for elegance, color, or a touch of the tropics, these shrubs have got you covered. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. We'll see you next time.